Hello, will you please buy from us? We have a new promotion.
Still using the same sales script you wrote years ago? Let's refresh it with ChatGPT. I'll show you with a window washing sales pitch, but this works for any small business. Here's why this matters. Old scripts feel stiff and dated. Your customers can tell. A refresh makes you sound modern, confident, and persuasive without spending hours rewriting. Start by pasting your current pitch into ChatGPT. It could be 10 years old or something you've been recycling for just way too long. And so now I have that pitch in there. What I want to do is simply offset it with the 3 quotation marks. That way it knows it's all one piece. And I'm going to ask it now to make it shorter, friendlier, and more persuasive. And so real quick, I get a response. Hi, we're Brightview Window Services. We'd love to help keep your windows sparkling clean and your home looking its best. Can we book you in for a quick appointment? That's pretty good, but maybe I'm looking for something a little bit different. So you can see it even gave me some suggestions on variations down at the bottom. Do I want more casual, premium, urgent, seasonal offer? And I'm gonna say yes. So now I have the casual, premium, urgent, seasonal, and the crazy urgent, just for fun. Here's the original sales pitch versus the refreshed version. Which would you rather hear as a customer? So instead of recycling the same stale script, let ChatGPT refresh it and give you a new perspective. I built a sales script refresh pack with the exact prompts I used here, plus a bunch you didn't even see in this video. Comment refresh to get them and start rewriting your pitch today.